Best Padel Rackets. Are you looking for the best Padel rackets? In this video, we will look at some of the best Padel rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adidas Adipower Control 3.2. Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series Control Black/Orange 3.3 multi-weight 3 5/8 grip 365G. Elevate your padel game with the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Control Edition, designed for players of all skill levels who demand precision, power, and control. Crafted with a high-quality carbon fiber frame and a fiberglass hitting surface, this racket delivers a perfect balance of strength, durability, and responsiveness, allowing you to execute shots with confidence on every court. Weighing just 365 grams, the lightweight design ensures effortless maneuverability, making it ideal for fast reflexes, quick volleys, and accurate placement. The 3.3 multi-weight configuration allows for optimal control without sacrificing power, giving you the edge during competitive play. Its 3 5/8 grip offers a comfortable, secure hold that reduces fatigue during extended matches, letting you stay focused on performance. The control style features a striking black and orange colorway, combining aesthetics with performance. Its precision-engineered frame supports controlled smashes and delicate shots alike, while the fiberglass surface absorbs impact effectively, giving you superior feel and touch with each swing. Whether you're a casual enthusiast or a seasoned padel player, the Adidas Adipower Control Padel Racket delivers a harmonious blend of control, power, and comfort. Its advanced materials and ergonomic design make it the perfect companion for training, tournaments, or friendly matches. Step onto the court with confidence and dominate every rally with unmatched control and style. Number 2. Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch. Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta Elite/Hybrid with CB1 size for 0.25-inch grip, 365G. Step onto the court with confidence with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, expertly designed for beginners seeking a combination of comfort, control, and performance. Available in Alpha, Elite/Pro, and Delta Elite/Hybrid. With CB styles, these paddles provide a versatile playing experience for adult players aiming to improve their skills and enjoy the game to the fullest. Constructed with high-quality polyurethane material for both the frame and hitting surface, the paddle ensures excellent shock absorption, durability, and a soft, responsive feel on every hit. The innovative Graphene 360 Plus technology strengthens the frame and improves energy transfer, allowing players to achieve better power without sacrificing control. With a lightweight design of 365 grams and a 4.25-inch grip, this paddle is comfortable to handle for extended practice sessions or competitive matches, helping to reduce fatigue and improve maneuverability. Its one-size design is perfect for adult players, offering a balanced feel suitable for a variety of strokes, from precise volleys to controlled smashes. The Head Graphene 360 Plus Paddle Series is ideal for beginners who want a reliable, high-performance racket that supports learning and skill development while providing a professional quality feel. The Alpha and Delta models cater to different playing styles, whether you prefer power, precision, or a balanced hybrid approach. Upgrade your game and experience the perfect combination of comfort, control, and innovation with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, the smart choice for beginner players ready to dominate the court. Number 3. Knocks at 10, Genius Attack 18K. Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket. Red, black, silver, one size, standard grip, 365G. Dominate the court with precision and power using the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket. Expertly designed for advanced players who demand high performance. Inspired by world-class Pro 1 LeBron, this racket combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek red, black, and silver design that makes a bold statement on every match. Constructed with premium carbon fiber for both the frame and shaft, the Technical Viper delivers exceptional strength, durability, and energy transfer, allowing you to hit powerful smashes while maintaining precise control. The 365-gram lightweight design ensures optimal maneuverability, helping you react quickly and execute shots with confidence during fast-paced rallies. Equipped with a standard grip, this racket offers a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long matches and allowing you to maintain focus on your game. Its advanced engineering supports aggressive playstyles, giving you the edge when performing volleys, serves, or precise angled shots. The Babolat Technical Viper is ideal for adult players at an advanced skill level seeking a professional-grade padel racket that enhances both power and control. Its ergonomic balance and carbon fiber construction ensure superior feel, responsiveness, and consistency, making every shot count. Whether you are competing in tournaments or training to sharpen your skills, the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket is the ultimate choice for players who want to combine speed, precision, and power in one high-performance package. Step on the court with confidence and elevate your game to pro-level standards. Number 4. Babolat Technical Viper. Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket. Red, black, silver, one size, standard grip, 365G. Experience unmatched performance on the padel court with the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket. Crafted for advanced players who demand precision, power, and control. Inspired by professional padel champion Juan LeBron, this racket blends cutting-edge design with high-performance materials, making it ideal for players aiming to elevate their game. Built with a carbon fiber frame and shaft, the Technical Viper ensures superior durability, strength, and energy transfer, allowing you to generate powerful smashes and controlled shots with every swing. Weighing just 365 grams, it offers a perfect balance between stability and agility, making it easier to handle fast-paced rallies and quick directional changes. The standard grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, reducing fatigue during long matches and enhancing precision for volleys, smashes, and angled shots. Its ergonomic design supports an aggressive playing style while maintaining excellent feel and responsiveness. This racket is tailored for adult players at an advanced skill level, offering professional-grade performance for tournament play or high-level training. The striking red, black, and silver color scheme adds a bold, modern aesthetic that stands out on the court. Whether you're aiming to dominate competitive matches or refine your technique, the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket delivers the perfect combination of power, precision, and control. Step onto the court with confidence. Harness the racket's cutting-edge carbon fiber technology and take your padel game to professional standards. Number 5. Bullpadel Vertex 04. Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket. Professional diamond shape, Stend Carbon 12K, and Multiva Core Curvative and Air Power Frame Technology, high power and control Vibradrive system. Take your padel game to the next level with the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket, a professional-grade racket engineered for players of all skill levels who demand power, precision, and control. Featuring a diamond-shaped design, this racket maximizes your hitting surface for aggressive smashes while maintaining excellent maneuverability for volleys and defensive shots. Crafted with Stend Carbon 12K and a Multiva core, the Vertex 04 combines durability, strength, and enhanced energy transfer, giving you explosive power without sacrificing accuracy. The innovative curvative and air power frame technologies improve flexibility and stability, while the Vibradrive system reduces vibrations on impact, offering superior comfort and control even during intense rallies. Weighing just 0.3 kilograms, this lightweight racket allows fast reaction times and effortless handling, making it ideal for both competitive play and recreational matches. Its carbon fiber frame and shaft provide the perfect balance of strength and responsiveness, while the combination of carbon and fiberglass materials ensures durability and longevity. Designed for adult players, the Vertex 04 2025 supports all playing styles, whether you favor powerful smashes, strategic placement, or consistent defensive play. Its professional-level engineering and ergonomic design ensure that every shot feels precise, controlled, and effortless. Elevate your performance with the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 Padel Racket, where cutting-edge technology meets professional craftsmanship, giving you the ultimate combination of power, control, and comfort on the court.